paper we will discuss today is the IFMIF-DONES project Preliminary Engineering Design, Chapter 1.6, Central Instrumentation and Control Systems. Designed with a hierarchical structure starting from the top level, the Central Instrumentation and Control System CICS down to the Local Instrumentation and Control Systems level. The CICS consists of three systems. 1. Control data access and communication, CODAC, machine protection, and 3. Safety control. Each system at the central level is in a continuous bidirectional communication with the corresponding one at the local level by means of dedicated instrumentation and control networks and/or buses. CODAC network, interlock, bus network, and safety network. At the local level, interlock, bus network, and safety network at the local level. The instrumentation and control is mainly given by a local controller with a set of sensors and actuators. Each of the three control systems, CODAC, machine, protection, and safety control, is composed of several independent subsystems. Chapter 1.7, Site Building and Plant Systems. The IFMIF-DONES plant configuration and the design of the layout, buildings, and site infrastructure have been optimized based upon the requirements and assumptions made for the entire plant, and for each of its main systems, it is assumed that IFMIF-DONES will not require long-term storage of solid and liquid radioactive waste, and therefore these wastes shall be taken out to an internal storage facility. The site layout figure 7 consists of a usable rectangular-shaped surface area of around 10 hectares. The main building is erected at its center, and it is directly connected to the adjacent access control building, in front of which a small parking area exists. The main electrical building is placed very close to the main building to facilitate the routing of cabling connected to the main building through service galleries and distributed all along the perimeter of the site. The different services areas are laid out as follows: transfer area, electrical switchyard area, emergency power building, fire water area, industrial water area, warehouse cooling towers area, etc. At the bottom right corner of the site, the administration building and another parking area are erected. The overall dimensions of the main building area 158.9 meter times 74.75 meter, figure 8, and it is a 4-story building. Additionally, it has one basement level occupying only a reduced area of the total footprint of the building. In general terms, it can be divided into two different parts: accelerator and irradiation areas. The building has a basement foundation slab ER-18, 3 suspended floors at different elevation ER-9 meter, ER plus 0 meter, ER plus 6 meter. and one additional roof slab EL plus 12 meter. There are different stairwells with elevator for both material and personnel. Evenly distributed throughout the building, the building structure lies above a stepped foundation slab that carries all the loads of the building to the ground. The main structural system of the building is formed by a combination of bearing walls, columns, suspended slabs, and beams, all of them in situ cast with concrete. Some bearing walls have, in addition to the structural role, other safety functions such as confinement, barriers, and/or shielding protection. The IFMIF-DONES plant systems include the following services: 1. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, both industrial and nuclear. 2. Heat rejection system. 3. Electrical power system. 4. Service water and gas systems. 5. Radiation waste treatment system, including both solid and liquid waste, as well as a gas radioactive waste treatment systems. And 6. Fire protection system. Thanks for listening to the end of today's show.